A hearty good morning to all. Page number 59, exercise number A. Write the highlighted verbs in the past perfect tense to complete these sentences. In this exercise, we have to write the past perfect tense forms of the highlighted verbs. So let's work out. Number 1. Akhil baked a cake after he cooked lunch. We got the sentence, Akhil baked a cake after he had cooked lunch. Number 2. Sumitra was sick yesterday. We got the sentence, Sumitra had been sick yesterday. Number 3. He was tired since he not slept well for weeks. We got the sentence, he was tired since he had not slept well for weeks. Number 4. I couldn't remember the lines of the poem we read the week before. We got the sentence, I couldn't remember the lines of the poem we had read the week before. Number 5. She used the medicine for weeks but it didn't help her. We got the sentence, she had used the medicine for weeks but it didn't help her. Number 6. Though they not request us, we went over to help them. We got the sentence, though they had not requested us, we went over to help them. Number 7. I see him a few times before I spoke to him. We got the sentence, I had seen him a few times before I spoke to him. Number 8. I asked for a bigger size, but this is what the shop assistant gave me. We got the sentence, I had asked for a bigger size, but this is what the shop assistant gave me. Page number 59, exercise number B. Complete these sentences on your own using the past perfect tense. In this exercise, we will form our own sentences using the past perfect tense. So let's work out. Number 1. I didn't go yesterday because I had been busy with some work. Number 2. He told me that he had read that book. Number 3. I thought that she had finished her work, but she hadn't. Number 4. I thought he had done it, but he hadn't thought about it. Number 5. We didn't go on the trip because we had already gone there. Number 6. Ankit paid a fine because he had broken the traffic rules. Number 7. She bought a jacket though I had told her not to do so. Number 8. I had already gone out when Mahita entered. Page number 60, exercise number C. Circle the correct forms of the verbs to complete these sentences. In this exercise, the clues are given for each sentence. We have to circle the correct one to complete these sentences. So let's work out. Number 1. Grandfather has been resting / had been resting when his friend showed up. In this sentence, circle had been resting. Number 2. How long had she been learning / has she been learning French before she went to France? In this sentence, circle had she been learning. Number 3. Sunita has been walking / had been walking all day so her legs hurt. In this sentence, circle had been walking. Number 4. They have been driving / had been driving for about half an hour when they hit a roadblock. In this sentence, circle had been driving. Number 5. She had been searching / has been searching for the watch and found it in her bed later. In this sentence, circle had been searching. Number 6. Tanuj has been waiting / had been waiting for 45 minutes when the school bus finally arrived. In this sentence, circle had been waiting. Number 7. I don't know if they have been buying / had been buying this newspaper, but they have switched to the Hindu now. In this sentence, circle had been buying. Number 8. Aditi was out of breath since she had been running / has been running. In this sentence, circle had been running. Page number 61, exercise number D. Complete these sentences by using the correct verbs from the box in the past perfect continuous tense. In this exercise, we will select the correct verbs from the blue box and use their past perfect continuous tense forms to complete these sentences. So let's work out. Number 1. Nadia had been practicing for over an hour when the guitar string broke. Number 2. We had been walking to the ice cream shop when we met our friend. Number 3. The electricity bill was huge since they had been using the electric stove for cooking. Number 4. I had been talking to my cousin when my friends came home. Number 5. He had been looking forward to it, but he couldn't make it in the end. Number 6. Praniti had been saving money to buy herself a bicycle, but it still wasn't enough. Number 7. She lost weight because she had been exercising regularly. Number 8. Swati had a headache since she had been working on the computer all day yesterday. Page number 61, exercise number E. Take the sentences that are correct. Correct the incorrect ones on the next page. In this exercise, we will take the sentences which are correct. Later, we will correct the incorrect sentences and write them in the next page. So, let's work out. Number 1. Ajmal told us that he is working late in the office that night. This sentence is incorrect. So, cross it. Number 2. Someone had been posting anonymous comments on my article. This sentence is correct. So, tick it. Number 3. I had gone to the same gym for many years until I realized that their charges were too high. This sentence is incorrect. So, cross it. Number 4. The refrigerator is working after the mechanic repaired it. This sentence is incorrect. So, cross it. Number 5. The boys had been chasing butterflies all afternoon. This sentence is correct. So, tick it. Number 6. My tooth is aching since Saturday. So, I went to the dentist. The first sentence of this number is incorrect. So, cross it. Number 7. Sharif was waiting to see you until I told him you won't be back soon. This sentence is incorrect. So, cross it. Number 8. It had been raining non-stop all night. This sentence is correct. So, tick it. Students, our number 1, 3, 4, 6 and 7 have errors. So, we will correct and write them below in the space provided. Number 1. Ajmal told us that he had been working late in the office that night. Number 3. I had been going to the same gym for many years until I realized that their charges were too high. Number 4. The refrigerator had been working after the mechanic repaired it. Number 6. My tooth had been aching since Saturday, so I went to the dentist. Number 7. Sharif had been waiting to see you until I told him you won't be back soon. Page number 62, exercise number F. Complete this conversation by using the verbs in brackets in the past perfect or the past perfect continuous tenses. In this exercise, we will use the past perfect or the past perfect continuous tenses forms of the bracket verbs to complete this conversation. So, let's work out. Anand. Deepak had planned to ask the coach to give him a chance to play for the team this year. Sanjay. He told me that he had been working hard when I last saw him. Anand. Deepak had been nervous about talking to the coach. That's why he had been putting it off. Sanjay. So what happened? Did he speak to the coach at all? Anand. Yes, he did. He was told that the coach had been planning to reorganize the team for a while. He had been considering including Anand but had decided against it since he wanted some fresh talent. Sanjay. Oh, that's bad. How did Deepak take it? Anand. Well, Deepak had been hoping to make it to the team this year, and understandably, he was quite disappointed. Thank you.